Silverware?
Hella hot.
Yeah, I think they have.
Michelle, you have some. Give me that dog. Boy, I'm about to
The dog. Oh.
I'm gonna put this. What is it?
Oh, I was telling Haley about how we're about to see the most toxic relationship unravel.
Oh, shoot. What did you get, Jay? I got the video ramen, like, and then I also got tacos. I was like, yeah, it's too yummy. Oh, okay. Oh, be careful.
Are any of you guys vegetarian or vegan?
No.
Good. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. All of my friends are. I'm the only one that eats
Really?
No.
Oh my god. No, I couldn't. I couldn't do that. I was like, literally.
I love you too much.
Yeah, literally. Me too.
Would you get a trash can?
Yeah.
Wait, does that mean they don't eat shrimp and all that?
Oh, should I just
Sometimes they do.
Okay.
But for the most part,
No. Wow.
So I just wanted to use the I said it's home. I don't know how much What? Oh, I love you. You're like such a host. Whoa, be careful about the soda, Charlize. Because that almost could have been a disaster. Close it up, close it up, close it up, close it up, close it up.
Y'all are funny.
Bro. Bro did it. I told you to close it up. I didn't tell you to go.
No.
Okay, I'm going. I'm trying to get in here. Hold up.
Sprite tonight. I know it's kind of hungry.
No, I'll tell you. Camera down. Okay.
So, look at me, and you're going to look directly into my chest. So you stay facing forward and looking at my chest. I'm going to let it dry just a little bit.
Okay.
What are you looking for, babe? The trash can?
Oh, no. I was just thinking about it.
We have a bunch of other chairs, too.
Close it or look at it?
It's okay. You look right wherever it's okay. Stay like that. And if you need a blink, just let me know and move very slowly.
Like when I left Parma, I don't know what was going on in my head. Knock a bitch up.
We're gonna let that dry and we're gonna push it together. Close your eyes, rest it. Yeah, just let it rest.
So we now have 2 girls upstairs and 2 girls downstairs. Holy.
Oh, yeah.
What the fuck are we gonna do?
Like all of them are like, you know what, Sophie, you're a real cool girl. I'm like, thank you. Like, finally.
You still haven't pitched, but it looks really great.
Oh, who fucking hit who?
Wait, is this the scene with
Oh, I did not catch it.
Is this scene with Snooki?
What do you want? Oh, you want the four? She wants the four, Charlize.
You have some or should I go get some?
No, there's four.
No.
Charlize, is there a case? No. It's right here. Oh, yeah, we do.
Yeah, in the back there.
It's good.
You good?
Is the rice
Show the
good?
cam.
Shut
My whole pan got it.
You're grabbing the phone.
How's it? Is it good? The rice is really good. Okay, then
That sauce is mine, right?
we had an accent.
Yeah. Already? Since you guys were 30 years.
Yeah.
You're done. Yeah. Do you want to use it? No, I'm good. I just shouldn't put it.
Did you
like that one. She looks really pretty. Is that the? This is okay. That's the pear.
This is the first one, right?
Yes. This is this.
Okay.
Cute. So I think we're really gonna love the other one too.
This one's cute.
You haven't pinched it yet, right? Okay. Keep it here.
This is something that I definitely was not expecting to happen in Jersey Shore house.
Look up. I'm gonna do your waterline. So if you have to blink, just let me know, and then you're gonna blink like this.
So then I was looking around for like Ronnie, and then I see him on the dance floor with another girl. I'm not trying to like be laid out because people doesn't get on the dance floor with another girl like and forget me.
You forget me. Forget me.
When I saw that, I was like, I don't want to do
Close it, and you can just leave it closed while the water goes away. Go ahead.
No, it's not.
You said that one was wrong, right?
No, yeah, I didn't. I was just asking if I gave you yours. Yeah.
I just was eating the wrong food. I was like,
I didn't even know what happened. We're all hanging out. Everything was fine. But I guess stuff happens.
Who slapped who? Because somebody got hit, right?
yeah.
I went and I started dancing.
But it was a girl. A girl got hit by a guy because a guy was being put in a coffin. I'm too interested. Who's that?
And next thing I know,
No, she can pinch it. And then
Salt?
I saw that.
I don't think so.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
So leave it.
When J-Lo comes up to me, she's like, oh, she gave the kid the number.
When the tacos are like so big, I was scared they were gonna be small like they were. But that one time when we went to when we were at school and they go to taco truck. Oh yeah, and the tacos were like hella small. I was like, oh, bitch, I waited in this line for like 2 hours.
Where? At the carnival?
Yes.
So me and my men and that were like, man, these are the worst Mexican tacos I've ever. I was like, boy.
They were so delicious, but that's like the normal.
Oh, they were
street-
definitely good.
That's the normal street taco size, though. So,
Tacos are like tiny.
yeah.
You usually get like 5 on that.
Yeah.
Yeah, there was 5 of them. Yeah, the problem was we shared.
Here.
Trying to like calm me down.
We shared and we thought that we weren't gonna be that hungry.
Thank you.
We thought that we weren't gonna be that hungry, but we ended up being way more hungry because we just stayed in line literally the entire time the carnival was going on. Oh, I wish this was like actually. Oh, did you
Like partying, you know, like hanging out, and somebody comes up to me and goes, Ronnie left with J-Lo. No. Like my heart like sank into my stomach and I was like, that.
Yeah, who's this?
Like when I left Karma, I didn't know what was going on in my head. I was knock a bitch up.
I let him rest for a bit.
I'm gonna show you me eating real quick.
Mom, you used to come to us.
Your towel, though.
You're twatting.
That's not my.
Michelle's onion on your feet.
That's not my.
Oh shit.
Get out of here so bad right now. Bro, seriously? You want to play this game?
Oh, they really did.
Mm-hmm.
Him and J-Rob.
Oh, wait, no, they didn't.
About that serious. No, you're dancing with another girl. You're dancing with another girl. No. I will randomly respond talking about you.
That's all it took, Sam. Just 3 seconds. seconds, Sam.
No, it's fine. It's dripping. Like, it's not that I can't open it.
No joke.
Hold on.
There's no joke.
Was she crying?
Any relationship, it's the same thing. It's like goo gaga, like
Can I take this from
fine
you?
with each other in the beginning. Then
Yeah.
you get really comfortable, and then it goes down and you just can't even deal with each other anymore. Okay, if you really
I think
want
it's
to, whatever. Go. Because really,
Cry.
at the bar when we're like Bonnie and Jenny went home. Really now my heart is torn.
Thank you.
Game is not a game, honey.
Homegirl said her heart was torn.
Stop. This is a joke how I feel about you. Like, you don't understand.
Put you in the equation. Like, you in the equation. Like, how do
I never open anybody. And you know what? You obviously don't know how I feel about you. If you really
how I
want
feel? Am I paranoid? You realize that? Southern City walks in, like, you're basically like, oh, right now.
I hate him.
What did he say?
He said he hasn't felt like that about a girl. Like he said, "You're my girl right now, Sam."
Not right now.
Right now.
First of all,
Exactly.
no, that would have been an argument in itself. Because I don't think that shit too. Cause like, you're my, like, yeah, you're my
Right
girl.
now?
Wait.
As
What do you
of
mean right now?
That's like saying, as of currently, this is my current girlfriend. This is my
Right.
current, your current what?
Wait, let me put subtitles on.
You mean you don't see yourself marrying me? Like, what are you talking about?
Right.
He said, "Then what are we doing?"
Right. What is this?
I got girls back here almost every night. There's not a time
Mike,
I don't have
shut
girls
your
in that.
up.
I got girls back here every
right now. We
night.
got
But Mike, hold on, I don't know who it was,
Okay, you guys need like.
but like the older them, I think it might have been Mike. He looks good.
You think so?
I might be tripping.
I think it's DJ
It can't be
Pauly.
Mike.
I think it's DJ Pauly.
We talking about him? It's not him. It's his friend. It's his friend. The dude. Remember they did that dating show? Yes.
Oh,
Funny.
that is true. That is true.
Like yeah, very
Look
much.
what I got.
I'm going in with my pants on. I'm not going
You're going in with something. I should have done that. Hold up.
Homegirl, that's why you shouldn't have showed up to their house.
Oh, we just made the best out of the
She
situation
came
like
to
we
the
always
crib, so she
do.
thought they was going to the
Just
gym.
right
No
out.
more coming.
So a bra is the same as a bathing suit. Exactly. It's going awesome, right? Salud. Italian.
Literally messing up the fact that I did all my skincare. Because I'm getting consummate on my freaking face.
Situation.
And we're going to have sex. So, like, what the heck?
We have both the chicks in
The thing about Mike's situation, every time he sleeps with a girl, he gives him his clothes. So they go in his clothes. And like whenever the seasons keep progressing, he starts giving them clothes with like his name on it.
What?
Like Mike's
Now he
situation.
has fucking shirts, like,
For real. Like the sweatpants too. The sweatpants be like the situation.
He went to jump for
All of a
test
sudden,
run.
What?
Oh, I'm gonna leave.
Not without that money he's making.
You agree? Both of you? Right now?
Man.
I'm like, chill out, Freckles, you gay? Alright.
So they didn't.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then
you have to take a picture of the food?
No.
No one?
No, you started recording. I'm like, get it from their Instagram. Then we really didn't get a picture.
You know, it's not that messed up if you like kind of shift it around a little bit.
If I
It
just.
looks much prettier before, not even any time. But this is good.
If I just. No, I don't know.
Come in for workout gear. Leave feeling empowered.
I was about to say, and I haven't eaten all day, but I didn't. Bro, why do I forget that I eat? Like, I
body's
swear,
like,
I
"Oh, no,
swear
you
I'm
didn't."
starved.
What you
That's how I really be like starving myself, not like intentionally or like because I have an eating disorder. I just be like, I'll be like, did I eat today? I'm like, oh yeah, I definitely had like waffles this morning. No,
No, literally,
that
that
was
was like I was
yesterday.
so ready to just be like, yo, when I haven't eaten all day, knowing that when I had a bowl of cereal and a waffle at the house.
Insane season of The Masked Singer yet.
It was a little echo, but hell, it was nothing.
Check out the crazy new costumes.
The only thing I really that is crispier.
The week step into and witness the legendary performances anytime. Plus,
So what I did, as you can see, is I cut it. I literally cut the front. But I'm still gonna add the front just separately so that it doesn't blur.
The Masked Singer, all new Wednesday on Fox and watch anytime on Fox Now or Hulu.
it's just one thing? When I got sweet tarts ropes that are both sweet and tart. Don't you want something that's both?
I do.
What? Did she just come out?
Bro, sweet tarts ropes are honestly so good.
I never tried it. Oh, did you put the glitter all over them? How did you dry them? No.
I know how to use your machine, but that's why it came off.
Really bad last night.
Oh my god. I'll do them over at night.
I fucked them now forever.
Yeah, they don't really dry. They're not really ever gonna dry unless you put it under the UV light.
Alright, so don't do this one.
No. You only did one?
Yeah.
No, no.
So I was happy like we woke up together, but I'm still like worried that maybe it's not gonna be okay. Like as the
She
day
looks
goes
the
on.
exact same.
She does.
She has not aged at all. Who did he get pregnant though? Because he got someone pregnant. It's a different girl. Yeah, it's kind of his karma for Sam. It's like the girl version of him.
Really?
Yeah.
She like makes the biggest scenes.
Oh my god, it's so embarrassing. And it's like so out of the blue too. Like you wouldn't have expected it. Yeah.
Are they in
Oh,
love?
like the smallest shit. I don't know if they're in love. I don't think they're.
That's like spit on him on camera.
I don't think they're in love. Honestly, I think that he got her pregnant.
Yeah.
And now he's like,
And now
okay,
he's
we
like,
gotta
I have to be a father.
Literally. So because he feels like he has to be a father, he feels like he has to be her husband.
Yeah.
And it's really dumb. And
And
he's
he
not
just
gonna
left
treat
her-
her right though. But he hasn't been treating her right. Like he's cheating on her the whole time she wasn't there.
Bruh.
And this is all based off like random episodes I just seen like when they come on, but he's cheating on that girl, bro. She don't even know.
When he forgets me and gets over it.
She cheated, bro.
What did you say?
I said I just want to apologize for everything. I'm really sorry.
Me making people repeat themselves.
I'm right now. Apologizing. So, again and again. But I know that you said if I did anything to hang up, you would never talk to me. So, I guess that's it.
Did I hang up on you?
Ooh.
You can call me, you can do whatever. I'm just never coming up there again. If you think I'm doing that, you're having fun.
I'm very sad.
If I come in, it's gonna be a fist fight.
Oh. Who's he fighting? Him?
I love you. I meant everything I said about us.
Who did she
I feel like that
kiss?
was really spicy and I just kind of fucked up putting down my whole thing.
You put it in the whole taco?
The little red stuff, yeah.
I couldn't
We
have
put it
let
in the
go
con-
of
the
these,
consumer, it's not
you
too
know,
spicy.
as you may,
We'll
and have
balance
like
it
this
out.
wonderful summer and not think twice about you. But at the end of the day, I realized how much Tom means to me. I honestly would like.
If this was
Give
like
up
a
anything.
wedge instead of like a
That's
fork, you know what I mean?
No, yeah. I think it's-
Yeah, for real.
But back to the whole disaster madness that went on last night. I feel like awkward a little bit.
Awkward. She didn't make her point. She slept with him.
Look at it.
Can I get property of Craig on those? I don't know what's up with Sam. She was doing her own thing. She's not really working. I mean, I don't really know what's up.
I'm not really good at relationships. I'm gonna push myself towards like, you know, being positive about it, but I'm kind of nervous with getting myself involved again with somebody. Just, I don't know, like, I'm just in like a fall cramp. I don't know. No, why would I be? I have a reason to be. Are you mad at me?
Are you mad at me?
I don't know what's up with her. But I mean, I guess it's a girl thing. I guess maybe she likes me and she doesn't want to, you know, get played. Like
I
she
guess
did in the
maybe.
past,
Did
but-
she not just tell him? Like, you know how I feel about you? Boy, what, men are so dumb. Like, I look like he's really sad up there listening like he didn't know how she feels. He said, I guess maybe she likes me. Like, oh, yeah. That's what you gathered? That's what you gathered from her scene last night?
Good phone work.
What do they mean working? Like
You
shooting?
really have to like catch my eye.
No.
and be like,
What do they talk?
If they stay at the Airbnb, it's called the Airbnb. If they stay there, they have to work there to get paid off. Like back then when people didn't have money to be making shows, so they had to
Oh, that's.
So they were like, well, give an Airbnb and stuff, and you'll be on a show, but you have to work. And they're like, okay.
I think that's why.
But they all look stuck at their jobs. They're like runaway from this life.
I never expect to like really like somebody as much as I like Ryan.
Me and Sammy clicked since like the third day or whatnot, so ever since then, we're pretty good. She's hilarious, she finds me funny, and we understand each other, so it's pretty hard to find.
Oh, I moved it. I'm sorry. I was scared it was gonna fall, so I was just like, alright.
Yes, I had sex. Like, hello.
Bye.
Yes, I
Natural.
Bye. She did not.
We smushed.
We smushed.
Haley,
Corny as hell.
oh yeah, for real. Back then it was smush.
Not smush. It was never that.
Oh, did they really?
Never that.
Listen, we in the
Was the rice and beans good?
It comes out good, man.
So that was just a him thing, or that was like a whole casting?
That's gonna be me, bro. That's gonna be me.
That's gonna be you, Denard.
No, a dude punches her. You're about to say.
Oh, what? Shut up.
Since 1905,
She did a bunch of backflips at the club.
because honestly, there's no taste like home.
I'm like, alright, I think we've done enough of that.
Which supports farmers.
Like,
and
somebody
brings
get
local
all
produce to you faster.
Call
Whether
the
it's
car.
strawberries from Poteet,
It's time to
beans
go.
and onions from the Rio Grande Valley,
Vicky,
or
look at this.
dozens
It's
of
vodka.
other great spread around
It's
the state.
vodka.
We bring
Right.
the best of
Drink
Texas
some.
farms to Texas
No, I go
too.
to the water bottle.
I'm
It's
gonna be
fine.
like,
Fruits. Another reason why at my age,
I'm like, no, it's good, it's good, it's good. You got a car, right? Okay, go ahead.
It literally felt like you were going to the face of the music. She's like,
Celebrate every moment together with Panda.
Also, Isabella, we brought like all our stuff, like all of our makeup, just in case. I don't know, like what you. I know you said you already had your stuff, but I was like, I mean,
yeah, no, that's perfect. That's perfect.
yeah, like we brought our. If you want to, all we don't wear foundation, so all we have is our concealer, and literally none of it's a perfect match. But we just, but I like three, but like when I mix them, they match.
Get ready for tonight, man. You need that color. Little touch up on the paint job. First impressions, everything. So you gotta stay fresh to death, I call it. Fresh outfit, fresh haircut, fresh tan. Just stay fresh. And then after that, you better be hitting the gym. And if you're not hitting the gym for like an hour or so, then you may have a problem. Okay?
You may have a problem.
Like an hour and a half. Working on my fitness.
he's like literally doing this is what makes a lady love me.
Right.
You want to put it on my box?
The barbershop is always
I was gonna say,
full.
well,
Get
how
that.
we gonna-
Everybody's
but- no, no,
character,
it's-
who's making fun of who.
My Oh, my no, I
Trying to see my style,
no, it's four
Obviously, my
tacos.
style's working.
Oh, I
Oh,
You ate all of them?
obviously my style's working too. I got
Really?
where we going now so far. Still had to roll home one time.
Did you eat this one?
Still had to roll home one time.
I hate that.
Of course you didn't.
You got it.
I
thought about you.
Oh, and it was from like
Listen,
two,
we in
and
the
the younger guys
barbershop with
too.
the boys. It comes out
No.
good, man. Everything comes out.
No, his still was
DJ Pauly?
He looks old as hell.
Because
Yeah, he does.
Yeah, everybody said that Mike like reversed in his age, like what?
Yeah, because he got off, he stopped drinking and all that stuff. So yeah, he probably looks younger now.
Never fall
True.
off the Jersey Shore.
And that's exactly what he's doing right now.
Oh man, muscle. You don't talk like that.
Yeah, it's cool. He brought 12 girls, still ain't getting none.
Mike would bang a Gatorade bottle if it had a pulse at this point. Like, seriously, he really would.
That is fucking
Oh,
Gator,
that's
that's
great.
great.
He's like 0 to 12.
And then he would give it, and then he'd give it some sweats.
Stop.
Oh my god, I'm going outside.
Oh, look at him.
Last night, so I went to my pastor's house, right? We always go on every Friday. So we were like all hungry, and it was like 9, right? So they were like, oh, okay, we'll order wings here. So they called Wingstop, put their order in. It was like a big order because there's like a whole bunch of us.
Like, I want to
So,
fly, but it's kind of
then
making
they
me
get
grow
some
up, you
Wingstop.
know, and be an adult.
And we literally like, it was my stepmom and like 3 other or 4 other ladies that went to
I
Wingstop
spend
to
every
pick up the
day and
wings.
night with my girl. Like, she's
And
my best
me and my
friend.
dad, my uncle, and then 2 other people were sitting there and we're like, It was taking a long time. It was already like 10:30.
Bro.
And we were starving. Like, I hadn't eaten since 1.
Oh my god.
So,
And I was like, y'all got some time?
literally, so then,
Friggin' duck phone.
we come back, right, at like, a little past 10:30. And then, basically, they were saying, like, the employees were, like, being really lazy. Like, there was, like, 10 other people that were waiting for their order. And, like, they said, whenever they had called them, they were like, yeah, we already put your order in. And, like, when they got there, their order wasn't even in.
Oh, hell no.
So everybody was pissed.
Was it good though?
Yeah, it was good, but then, like, I was so hungry that I literally
Walking
ate 8
around in a
rings.
circle and like doing things and back.
It'd be like that for
Like,
real.
with her thong hanging out, her whole crotch is in the air.
No, I can't even lie. I just had to say her whole crotch was in the air. Oh my god. No, it's literally hanging out, babe. She said it made me so proud of her. And look at this old nasty cream.
Weirdo.
And I feel like 1 second the spotlight
Ah.
is gonna be on me all night.
Oh, I thought he was giving head.
Oh shit. Look, because you brought every single girl to the house, dummy.
Ooh.
The incredible iPhone 13 without T-Mobile makes as much sense as playing
Stop. Why is Verizon? Verizon literally is trying to snatch my money.
No, literally.
They were like $700 off the iPhone 13 if you trade in your whatever phone you have right now. And I was like, that sounds like a deal.
I did it.
Really?
Like, I didn't even turn in my phone. I didn't have it.
Unlock the full power of iPhone 13
But I was due for an upgrade.
T-Mobile.
Open socket?
I'm here for something natural. Finding the right fit. And working to make it stronger.
Because my phone isn't even that old, and I didn't even want a new phone until my dad this Christmas. And I still don't. Like, I'm still perfectly fine with the one I have now. It's really nice. But my dad this Christmas, he was like, hey, if y'all got a phone, what phone would you want? Like, literally like a couple days before Christmas. And I'm like, oh,
the damn color and everything. All in our damn home stuff. So like, I was like, okay, because I wanted a screen protector. Because my shit was cracked up. I was like, oh, give me a little screen protector.
Right in front of DJ